Yes, hello. Hello world. Good evening. Yan, papunta na po kami sa baba. Kasi hapunan na po. Tapos babalik na lang kami. Oh, diba? Sinong sasama? Chinilas lang tayo ngayon kasi wala tayong bagay yung sandals eh. Okay naman din yan. Yan. Nandun yung asawa ko sa loob. Nag-ayos din ng kanyang buhok. Ready, my husband?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Let's go!
Let's go.
Oh, diba? Let's go. Oh, match kami ngayon. Chinilas lang. Bye! Let's go.
Let's go.
Bye. Tara. Malapit lang kami sa elevator. Second floor lang kasi kami. Okay. Oh. Ikaw na ko, so. So, yeah, it is dinner time. So, tingnan nyo naman yung food. Beef, chicken, and so, ito po ang aming ganap-ganap for today. Katapos lang namin kumain. So, cheers na yan.
Cheers, man.
Masarap siya. So, pagkatapos namin mag-dinner, hapunan, so, ang ending is Turkish coffee. Ayan. Cheers, my husband. Cheers. Kunti lang siya kasi mainit. Tapos, inom tubig ko. No puso. I don't want sweet. I'm so much full. Look po. My tight now. I cannot breathe now. It's tight now. Look. Oh. They have hams. It was flat now. Oh. They have hams. It's okay. Normal. Yes, ayaw. Mas pasok sana. Okay, may natingin man. So, hindi na natuloy. Ang ending, mabalik.